Aloha my friends, Christina here. I'm so happy to be back in a new video with you today. We are going to be making the best juicing recipes for summer. My intention today is simply to have a juicy, delicious, and fun time in the kitchen with you using seasonal ingredients. Summer is my favorite season of the year because we have access to so many delicious fruits like watermelons, grapes, mangoes, and more. So many of you have been asking me for my top juicing recipes lately, especially during the summer when it's hot out and you need some hydration and some refreshment. So this video will focus on giving you not only simple and easy ingredients for juicing recipes, but also recipes that will help you to get the glow. They're gonna give you that glowing, vibrant skin that you want. They're gonna give you tons of energy, and they will assist with weight loss if that is what you are looking for. I truly believe that juicing fruits and vegetables every day has helped me to get into the best health and in the best shape of my life, physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. And I mean that. I truly believe that I am in the best shape of my life right now, and I drink 32 to 64 ounces of fresh juice every single morning as my first meal of the day. I mix it up, I do green juices, I do fruit juices. I just enjoy what is in season. I am all about this living foods lifestyle, and it has changed my life. I recently did a video where I took you on a grocery store tour and I showed you the differences between store-bought juices and freshly pressed juices that you make at home. And hands down, fresh fruit and vegetable juices that you make at home are the absolute best. There's really no comparison. These are healing foods, they're living foods. They can literally transform you from the inside out. I truly believe that no matter what healing you are looking for in your journey, or no matter what benefits that you are seeking to have, you can find them by incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your daily routine by consuming one fully raw vegan meal a day and by juicing on a daily basis. Every single glass of juice that you drink is a concentrated amount of vitamins, minerals, phytonutrients, and more. And for those of you who might not eat this many fruits and vegetables in a day, or especially if you don't like eating your greens, you can drink a glass of green juice and get in those good nutrients for your body. So today's focus is all about having fun in the kitchen and making some sweet and delicious summer recipes. Having a good juicer in your home is essential. I have the Nama J2 juicer in my kitchen and I absolutely love it. It is my favorite juicer of all time, best of the best. I've done several comparisons with this juicer and it has won hands down every time. I love it because it has a wide open hopper. You can add in whole ingredients at a time, close the lid, walk away, and when you come back, fresh juice is ready and made for you. This juicer is one of a kind, and there are only a few out there in the world right now that have this revolutionary technology. Trust me when I say it's a game changer because it saves you time because you don't have to spend so much time putting ingredients through the hopper. It saves you prep because you can add in whole ingredients like apples one at a time. And it batch juices, which means it makes copious amounts of juice. It can make 5 to 10 jars of juice easily at a time so that you have more juice to drink over a period of time, and the juices last longer because of this slow cold press technology. The juices do not oxidize as quickly. The juices don't go badly as quickly. So if you're looking for a new juicer, this is where it's at. It will change the game for you. It will get you back in the kitchen. It will get you juicing again. If you're looking to get a new juicer, please check out the J2. You can get $55 off this new J2 machine by using the code FullyRaw55, and I've included it on the screen for you. There's also a special link with that discount code listed for you below. Enjoy. We're gonna be making 3 easy, delicious, and nutritious recipes for you today. Let's go ahead and get started. The first juicing recipe I'm gonna be sharing with you is a surprising combination that has only 2 ingredients. We're gonna be making cucumber and grape juice. Now, if you don't want to use cucumbers here, you can always use something like celery or even kale. One of the first YouTube videos that I ever made with you was a juice called the Holy Grail, which was simply grapes and kale. I love juicing grapes and cucumbers together because I find that it's the perfect combination of sweet and hydration mixed together. When ready, go ahead and add into your juicer 1 to 2 pounds of fresh grapes. You can use purple grapes, green grapes, red grapes, whatever grapes that you can find. Seeded are preferred. You can use as many grapes as you'd like in this recipe. It simply depends on how much juice you'd like to make. After this, you can add approximately 3 to 4 medium to large cucumbers. Run these ingredients through your juicer. Look how delicious this juice looks. Many people feel that juicing grapes on their own is a little too sweet for their palate, so I like to mix cucumbers with them. And it adds such a nice, refreshing touch to this juice. Without watering it down, without adding any extra water, you're simply adding cucumbers. These two ingredients create the perfect combination. Not only is the color beautiful, but the taste is simply addicting. If you're looking for a juice that will give you a lot of energy in the day and that will definitely keep you hydrated, this is your new go-to. If you find that this juice is still too sweet for you, you can add in extra celery or kale. There are so many benefits to juicing grapes and to juicing cucumbers. I know you will love this simple, refreshing combination, and I hope that it will easily become a favorite in your home. The grape juice that you drank as a kid is nothing compared to fresh grape juice that you make at home. It's a totally different taste. It is a totally different feeling. There is nothing that compares to actual fresh grape juice. You're gonna have to try for yourself and see, taste, and feel the difference. Fresh grape juice is a game changer, and there's so many benefits to enjoying this as well. The second juicing recipe I'm gonna be sharing with you is a tropical juice combination. We're gonna be using this pineapple that I picked from my garden to make this recipe, along with a mango from my neighbor's garden, and approximately 5 to 6 apples. Optional would be adding in 1 lime if you wanted to have a little kick. When ready, go ahead and chop up your pineapple, peel it, and add it into your juicer. Then we're gonna add in a fresh mango. For the mango, you will need to peel it and then remove the seed. What I like to do is I like to chop off both sides of the mango, and I simply like to squeeze the mango with my hand just like this, and squeeze the mango out and let it fall into the juicer. Last but not least, you can add in as many apples as you'd like. I'm gonna add in approximately 4 to 5 apples into this recipe. This juicing recipe comes out tasting just like a creamy nectar. Oh my goodness, it is so delectable. If you find that this juicing recipe is too sweet for you, you can always add in some greens like romaine or celery. This juicing recipe is great for kids, adults, for parties. All around, it's a winner. Look at this absolutely gorgeous consistency and color. Now this is something I wanna take and sit outside with by the pool, by the beach, by the ocean. If you like mango juice, guava juices, or any type of tropical juice, this will become your new favorite combination. Go ahead and pour this juicing recipe into any glass jar of your choice. Cheers and enjoy. The third juicing recipe I'm gonna be sharing with you is my watermelon juice secret. This is one of my all-time favorite classic recipes. Some of you might have seen this. It's watermelon juice infused with basil, and if you wanna add in a pinch of lime, you can as well. For this recipe, go ahead and grab 1 large watermelon or 2 baby watermelons, peel it, add the watermelon into your juicer, and start making fresh watermelon juice. If you wanna add in some lime, you absolutely can. Oh my gosh, look how delicious this watermelon juice looks. Watermelon juice is probably my favorite juicing recipe of all time. And it's just watermelon juice. It's such an easy ingredient to use for batch juicing as well because it yields so much volume and it's cost efficient. Before you pour your watermelon juice into your jar, go ahead and add fresh basil leaves into your jar, and then pour your watermelon juice into the jar. Allow it to infuse for at least 30 minutes to an hour, and when you drink it, the taste will be insanely amazing. Trust me on this. Allowing that basil to infuse into your watermelon juice is such a game changer. That's my watermelon juice secret, is infusing the basil instead of juicing it in with the juice. All I can say right now is yum. If you like watermelon, you will love this juice, and I hope that it becomes your new favorite too. And last but not least, I have to talk about green juices in this video. I know that I have given you 3 very sweet recipes in this video today, but I also want to give you a remineralizing and refreshing green juice recipe because I think green juices are so important. And for those of you who might not want something sweet, you can always go for one of these green juice recipes. Not only are they refreshing and hydrating, but this is where the minerals are really at. For this juicing recipe, go ahead and add on in 1 lime or lemon peeled, 3 to 4 cucumbers, as many fresh greens as you desire. You can add in romaine, spinach, kale, the works. I also like to add in fresh herbs into my juices. I love to add in fresh cilantro or parsley. And last but not least, to balance out the sodium and give it more of a delicious taste, you can add in 1 to 2 heads of celery. If you want this juice to be sweeter, you can always add in 3 to 4 apples. This recipe at minimum will yield you approximately 64 ounces of fresh green juice. Look how good this looks. For those of you who want something green, this is the juice for you. I hope you love this recipe. Do these look yummy or what? I cannot wait to dive into these juices. So we've got cucumber grape, we've got pineapple, mango, and apple, and we've got my watermelon juice secret. If you have liked this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button because there is only more juiciness to come. If you are looking to get a new juicer, please check out the Nama J2 juicer. You have seen what it can do and you can see how much fun you can have in the kitchen. You can get $52 off this slow cold press J2 juicer by using the code FullyRaw55 and that link is below for you. If you're looking for more juicing recipes, you can download my Fully Raw Vegan recipe app. There are more than 450 raw vegan recipes on my app. It just got an update. It's available on iTunes and Google Play. The initial download is free, and then after that you can choose between a monthly or a yearly subscription, and those links are below for you as well. These delicious juices are calling my name, so I'm gonna go and enjoy them, and I hope that you get to go and juice today as well. Sending you all my hugs and my love, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.